Look, it's been a while, okay? So here's what happened. My camera broke. But that's okay, because I have a new one now. Although my other one's getting fixed, so I'm still gonna be doing stuff with that. But I haven't done anything really lately, but I'm gonna try to upload a bit more and start trying to, I don't know, maybe doing like daily videos or every other day videos, but other than that, I'm back. It me. But yeah, we also reached 100 subscribers, and then we ended up getting another 100 since I've last uploaded, so that's pretty cool. So thank you for that. And yeah, we're gonna go and go to Six Flags and do the water park today. So see you there. Whoop. Anyways, here's to some more videos. All right, enjoy. Alright, so since Six Flags doesn't allow any GoPros or shorts, anything like that, I'm relying solely on this iPhone and this waterproof bag. So, this is an attempt, if anything. We're doing the mat slides first. This is by far the easiest way to carry your mat. How was it, Paige? Yeah, so this is Skull Island. It's pretty wet. Very squeeze, very squeeze. Get ready to drop it. Go, 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 drop. Oh! Sorry if the sound's a bit muffled. I mean, it's in a waterproof bag, so it's better than nothing. Also, we're trying to go on we're trying to do as much as we can, but you know, you can only do so much in one day. Eventually we'll get to everything in the park, but yeah, just trying to make it interesting and fun. Plus it's hard to record on these water slides with the phone, so. All right, we're heading to the wave pool next. I look bald. Very many people. So many people. Oh, very many people. We're doing an underwater breath contest. Paige, we're gonna do an underwater breath contest.
Okay, can I go like this?
Okay, here we go. Ready? You gotta come in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Who won?
Yeah.
Ah! that was pretty fun going to Lazy River now.
Yeah.
Look at all these lazy people. Can't believe them. We're just chilling.
I'm just chilling.
What the heck is that? Oh! Very tricky. Yeah, we're on the other side. I mean, it's not as extreme as that one, but still. It's gonna be fun. Oh, many ways, many ways. We're going on these tube slides now. Oh, there we go! Oh!
Oh, he's eating us alive!
Alright, I think we're just about done. I think we're just about done for the day, huh, Paige? Just kidding, we're gonna do one more thing. We figure that since we're already wet, we go ahead and hop in line for Rolling Rapids because we haven't done it yet.
Yep.
Yep.
Rolling Rapids.
Look at that massive fidget spinner. Oh, we have very wet.
Oh, I thought Paige's shirt was dry.
Nicholas and Paige are just gonna go get a brownie here, go fresh real quick, and I think we're gonna head out and be done with the day. Oh, here's a brownie.
Go do it.
Are we going to get it?
What?
Brownie. Oh, yes. Snatch it. Oh. So yeah, that was Six Flags. I'm not sure I'm not sure how long I'll be able to keep up this new upload schedule that I'm gonna try and do, but you know what? We're gonna give it a go, okay? And yeah. So Nicholas just hit his face. If you're new, go ahead, like and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment down below about what your favorite pair of pants that you've ever bought are. And do you have anything left to say, Paige?
Oof.
Nicholas, do you have anything left to leave them with?
Oh, not really.
Okay. Well, I'll see you next time, which is probably tomorrow, hopefully.